Alright, part 2 of this video, because I screwed up on part 1 at the end. Originally, in the original cut, I went straight into testing out the torque of this lug nut right here. And after reviewing the video, the fastening torque of this guy on this lug nut, and after reviewing the video, this was one of the lug nuts that was already on here. So, you can't do one take perfectly. It's okay. Nobody gives that much of a shit. But after personally checking the torque on this guy right here, I'm going to continue this video and do it again on the others. So this one's not important because I've already checked that, but I will do these two because these two were not removed in the original video, but these two were. So I'm going to do both of these and see where they're at on the torque wrench. Fastened by the Milwaukee M12 right angle impact ratchet. Yes, you heard that correctly. It's a ratchet. Alright, this one technically, just for fun, said I wouldn't, but whatever. It's clicking at 90 foot-pounds. But that doesn't mean the others will, so we'll do the others. So that one, these two were never even touched. This one was in the beginning, so that leaves us with these two. Well, let's do the top one first. See where it's currently set to 90 still. That was extremely close. I think it was right at 90 because I could feel it. I could feel it ever so slightly. I'm not even yet, so I'm going to pull it down. I'm going to pull it down to 80. Pull it down to 80 and do the bottom one. Okay, it's like right there at 80. I'm going to redo this just for fun, because I feel like the threshold for this impact ratchet is between 80 and 90. So if I remove this lug nut right here, after properly putting the battery back in, alright, and now it's out, and it's in. Let's see what that's at. Put the torque wrench at 75. There you go. You can see that. There we go. And 75 clicks. Let's bump it up to 80. 80 clicks. To 85. 85 clicks. I'm going to reposition it now. Alright, 90 it is. Damn, guys. This thing's the bomb. If you're running smaller cars, nothing that needs like 100 plus foot-pounds of torque, you're good to go with this thing. Alright, we're at 95 foot-pounds. Alright, I don't think this thing would hit 100. I think we're good to go. This thing, I gotta reposition, so as you can see, we're at 100. Holy shit, okay, I'm going up in 10s now. No way. No way. 120? No way. Alright, let's try you 100 and... Come on, no way. It's 125, 135, 130, 125, 130, 135. Can't be that much, can it? Okay, that was somewhere in there was the limit. Let's call it 125 pounds torque. Fascinating. Fascinating torque, 125 pounds. That means I gotta be careful now. I didn't think I had to be careful. I need to back this thing off a little bit. Alright, we're good.